1657, the year of the pendulum, or the year in which Christian Huygens, a Dutch mathematician, invented the pendulum. The pendulum was not only a milestone in the realm of physics and timekeeping. The pendulum opens a lot of questions about synchronization. Entrainment is the word that we use when we want to describe that two or more oscillating sources are syncing into the same period. Entrainment, which should not be confused with entertainment, although the last is more often than not present in sound baths, is a very important element when it comes to the synchronization of our brain hemispheres. Brainwaves are basically linked to the entrainment phenomena. So, one of the three pillars of the energy induction shift that we can create in our bodies through sound therapy is entrainment.